In your ICSE exam, there is a chapter banking and it comes of 4 marks in your exam. So we must know that what type of problem we have to solve from banking, because we have 4 marks allotted in the board exam. So in the banking, to know the what are the different types of problems arises, first let's go with the formula, that is number 1, that is how to find out interest. Interest equals to, we know that the formula P into N into bracket N plus 1 into R by 24 into 100. Another formula we know that number 2, that is MV. MV is maturity value. Maturity value equals to total amount deposited, total amount deposited plus interest. Total amount deposited means that is P into N plus R. So that is only the 2 formulas which we have to use in banking. Now let us go, what does P mean? Here P means is the principal which is fixed. Means principal means every month you have to pay certain amount to the bank or to the person who is using your money for recurring deposit. Here we are banking means we are going to study only recurring deposit. No other topic is included in banking except RD. Next, what is N? Here N means number of month. What is R? R is the rate of interest per annum. Here annum means per year. And rest we know that what is P, we know that is what is N, we know what is R, and what is maturity value. Maturity value is the total amount deposited. So per month we are using P money, every month we are using P money. So total amount deposit will be P into number of month. So from here what we can see is that we have P, N, R and I. We have 4 variables. We have 4 variables, that is I, P, N and R, as well MV. So we have these 5 variables. So mostly in board exam, out of these 5 variables, the question may appear for interest or for principal or for number of months. Rather it will be for rate of interest or maturity value. So only the problems which you have to practice, that is you have to practice 5 different patterns. First pattern is to find out the interest when everything will be given, then to find out the principal when rest of the variables will be given. So we have to find out all these 5 when with respect to the given any 4 variables. That means what, from this chapter आपको सिर्फ 5 तरह का प्रश्न आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है ताकि आपको 4 मार्क्स मिल सकता है. So we have 20 weeks left. So within these 20 weeks we will have to cover up 24 chapters so that we can easily get full marks or 100% marks in our board exam. So let us go with few problems related with I, P, N, R and MV. So this is the question number 1. Ravi deposits rupees 2000 per month. So rupees 2000 per month means what we know that here principal will be rupees 2000. In an RD means recurring deposit account for 1.5 year. Here time equals to 1.5 year. We know that 1 year means 12 months and half year means 6 months. So that is equals to 12 plus 6, which is equals to 18 month. Now rate is given 8%. R equals to 8% per annum. Find the amount he will receive at the time of maturity. That means what? you have to find out maturity value how much. Before finding out the maturity value, we'll first find out what? We'll first find out interest. So here are two things we have to find out first. Number one, maturity interest, and number two is maturity value. To find out the interest, we use the formula of interest. Formula of interest is I equals to P into n plus 1 into R by 24 into 100. So here I equals to P is given how much? 2000 दिया हुआ है, तो यहाँ पर हम 2000 लिखेंगे into n. n is 18. So we are going to writing 18 into 19 because n is 18. 18 plus 1 19 into R. R is 8%. So we do the simplification. 8 ones, 8 threes, 3 ones, 3 6. So we get here 19 into 6, 6 nines, 54, 4, 5, 6 ones are 6 plus 5, 11 into 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So we get here 2280 rupees. So interest we are getting 2280. So we are right here 2280. Now we have to find out the maturity value. We know that the formula of maturity value MV equals to interest plus total amount, that is P into N. Now here principal is 2000. So 2000 into N means number of month is 18. 18 to the 36. So 36,000. So maturity value equals to 36,000 plus 2280, which is equals to 38,280 rupees. So in this way we have to complete our sum so that we could get easily 4 marks. Here Karuna has 4-year time deposit. So Karuna has time deposit is 4 year. T equals to 4 year, which can be changed into 4 into 12 equals to 48 months. That means N equals to 48. We have got it. And deposit rupees 650 per month. That means what? Principal equals to rupees 650. If she receives 36,296, that means what? Maturity value equals to 36,296. Find rate of interest. You have to find out rate of interest is equal to question mark. To find out the rate of interest, we should know simple interest I equals to question mark. So we have to find out the interest with the help of these 3 terms. So we know that the total. So first we have to find out how much is the interest. So how to find out the interest? We have to use the given formula MV equals to total payable amount plus interest. Here payable amount is maturity value is 36,296 equals to payable amount is 650 into number of months is 48 plus interest. Let us find out 650 into 48. 65 into 48, 8 5 is 40, 0 4, 8 6 48, 52, 4 5 is 20, 2 4 6 24, 26. So we get here 0 2 1 3 and 0. So we get 31,200. So from 36296 If you minus 31,200, we get here 6905. That means interest equals to interest equals to 5096. So here we can write here interest equals to rupees 5096. Now with the help of this we are going to find out what is the rate of interest. Now we'll try to find out the rate of interest by giving the formula, that is I equals to P into N plus 1 into R by 24 into 100. I equals to, we know that 5096, P we know that 650 into N, already we got 650 into N is 650, N is 48 into 49 into R by 24 into 100. 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 0 gets cancelled, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 13s are 65. So we can write 5096 divided by 3 into 49 equals to R. Now let us go with 7 sevens are 49, 7 sevens are 49, 7 twos are 14, 7 eights are 56, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 104, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 7 ones are 7, so we are getting 7 ones are 7, 7 0, 7 fours, 3 threes are 9, 13, sorry, here it is 13, it should be here 13, so 13 ones are 13, 13 eights are 104, so rate of interest is equals to 8%. So here you are going to write down 8%. Only the main thing is that how to do the problem you have to do in this way to get 4 marks. नेक्स्ट प्रश्न दिया हुआ है, अरुण हैज ए आरडी अकाउंट, रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट अकाउंट फॉर 2 years. तो यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे, सबसे पहले लिखेंगे टाइम इक्वल्स टू 2 years, n इक्वल्स टू 2 into 12 equals to 24 months at 10% per annum. If he receives rupees 1900 as interest, so here I equals to rupees 1900 they have given. Find his monthly installment. Very easy. This problem is, we'll just rewrite this formula, that is I equals to P into N plus 1 into R by 100. Here I is given 1900 equals to principal. We have to find out the P equals to question mark. P into 24 into 25 into 10 by 100. So 25 ones 25, 25 fours, 4 ones, 4 6. So 1900 by 6 into here should be 24. So P equals to rupees 760. Next question is, Mr. Ram has RD for 3 years. We have time equals to 3 years equals to 3 into 12 equals to 36 month. At 7.5% rate, R equals to 7.5% per annum. And he gets rupees 83825 as interest. I equals to rupees 8325. We have to find out principal equals to and maturity value. So at first we know that interest I, we write this formula, I equals to P into N plus 1 into R by 24 into 100. From here we get 8325 equals to P into, here N is 36, so we write here 36 into 37 into rate is 7.5, we can write here 75, then for this we are writing 10, 100 into 24. Now we have to find out here P. So if we cancel out this with this, so finally we get P equals to rupees 2000. So here principal is equals to rupees 2000, you can write it down. So now we have to find out the maturity value. So we know that maturity value equals to interest plus total amount paid. Here principal is 2000, that is 2000 into 36, N is 36, we get 72,000. So maturity value equals to interest, we know that 8,325 plus 7,200. Here is 72,000, so we get 5, 2, 3, 2. So we are getting maturity value equals to 82,000, 72 plus 8, 72, that is 80,000 rupees 325. Rahim deposited rupees 1600. So here P equals to rupees 1600. For 18 months, N equals to 18 months. If we get rupees 31080, that means what? Maturity value equals to 31080 rupees. At the time of maturity, find rate of interest. You have to find out rate of interest. So before finding out the rate of interest, you must find out interest. So let us first, how we can find it? With the help of maturity value equals to P into N plus interest. So maturity value we are given 31080. Here principal is 1600, N is 18 plus interest, that is 31080 minus 2880 equals to interest. So 31,0310 is equal, we get here. Then if we do minus, we get 0 minus 0 is 0, 0, 2, 8, 2. That means what we are getting? 2, 2, 0, 0, 2, 3, 8. So here we get interest equals to 2280. That is 22. Now we know that the formula I equals to P into n plus 1 into R by here interest equals to 2280 equals to principal 1600 into 18 into 9 into R by 24 into 100. So cancelling out this two zeros with this, we get R equals to 10%.